Ciao and welcome to Coffee to Go with Julie and MJ. Today we're going to talk about pizza. Have you ever wondered how in your kitchen oven you could try to get the same kind of nice and crispy crust as the pizzaiolos do in their wood-fired ovens? Well, today we're going to show you the secrets of how to do that. So follow along with Chef MJ as she shows you how to make the perfect pizza in your kitchen oven.
Okay, now the dough has been sitting for about an hour, resting, and you can see that it's puffing up really nice. So we're going to need a little bit of flour. I'm going to put it underneath it. And look how soft that is. I'm just going to press it out to the sides. It's so soft. So soft.
Look how easily it spreads.
And you want to keep the top on the top. This is the bottom. That has to stay on the bottom.
You're making me hungry.
I'm going to put some sauce in there.
What's that? What are you doing?
I'm chopping up roasted fried garlic.
Oh, I see. What's in here?
This is bacon that we rendered down the fat. Bacon crumble. This is the garlic olive oil that we're going to put on the pizza that we cook the garlic in. This is some little tomatoes that we cut up, little pieces, and some pepper and some onion, sweet onion. And then earlier I fried up some champignon, which is mushrooms, in some butter and some garlic. So they're going to want pizza too.
What kind of sauce are you using?
This is just pizza sauce. Tomato sauce, red sauce.
Full red. We'll put the link in the description below. What kind of sauce we're using.
And then some mozzarella.
This is a bit thicker crust, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot thicker than putting it in the wood-fired pizza oven. This is going in our oven in the kitchen. It's going in at 425. And we're gonna cook it halfway, and then we're gonna take it off the pan and put it on the rack so the bottom crisps up. So the dough is a little bit different. It's not as hydrated, so you're not gonna get as much airiness in the dough. It's gonna be a little bit denser. So we'll start adding the stuff. Let's come over here. Crushed garlic that I chopped up earlier. So I'm trying to even it everywhere. Oop, some fly away. That's for Terry. Terry too. A little bit more.
You roasted that garlic.
Yep. And then we're going to just sprinkle on the mixture of onions and peppers and some tomatoes.
Is this going to be a deluxe?
Yeah. It's whatever's in the fridge today. Right?
That looks so good already.
Pepperoni on here.
This is what a deluxe looks like. Oh my God.
Deluxe out of our fridge. As I said, whatever is in the fridge goes on the pizza.
MJ, you're making me hungry. I can't wait.
I'm gonna put some roasted mushrooms on that I fried up earlier, or fried mushrooms, and butter and some garlic, and for the last thing, some of this rendered bacon. Can't have enough bacon. Okay. Okay. Bit of Parmesan cheese on top. Whoop. And at the end, we'll put a bit more on. Look at that.
No, I can't wait. I want to eat it.
In for
Put
the
it
oven at 425.
So it goes in on the pan.
On the pan.
Okay.
For about 10 minutes.
And then?
And then you come back and I'll show you what to do next.
Okay.
We're gonna go into the oven and see if it's the dough set. And we're gonna take, if it's set, we're gonna take it off the tray. So this is how I look. I check and I see. No, it's not ready yet.
No?
We'll leave it in there for a
Sticking?
couple more minutes. Yeah.
Are those Raptors gloves?
Yeah, Raptors. I'm gonna take them out of the oven. So I'm gonna take it off the tray. So we're gonna put it on the lid. And it's not sticking, so we're just gonna slide it right onto that rack like that.
Oh my god.
See?
Look at
So
you.
perfect, right? It's so perfect.
Love it. So now
Back
the bottom will...
Yeah, the bottom's gonna crisp up. And it's gonna finish cooking. And then we're gonna cut it and we're gonna eat it.
Eat it. Mmm.
Okay, so now we're gonna look and see if the dough is crusty on the bottom. And take it out and take a peek. I say yes.
Let's see. Let's see.
I say
Oh.
yes. I say
Turn,
yes.
let me see the bottom.
It's nice and it's hard. So
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna put it on here. And it's done.
Whoa, look at that. See the bubbling?
So let's cut it.
Crispy. Oh, so this is a deluxe. I don't know what you're having. Yep.
What's that?
That's so good.
And just throw it right back on here. If you really wanted to keep it nice and crispy, you just put it on a cooling rack.
Right. That looks really good. You want to pick one up and show me the bottom? I
Sure.
want to see how crispy it looks. Toasty. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is awesome. And it's stick, right?
It's too hot. Yeah, it's too hot
Yeah,
to
yeah.
eat.
Nice job.
There you go.
Hurrah. Well, it's coming out of a 425 oven. That's it.
Hot.
Coffee to go.
Happy to go, Julian Day. Subscribe. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so let's go. I think we're at 124.
7.
127.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on.
Little subscribe. Thank you.
It's
Bye.
free.